like 120 baht.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae and this is
John.
And we are the co-founders of Let's Travel Around.
So last week we were talking about the importance of prioritizing. So this week we're going to look at the second most important aspect of smart traveling, and that is knowledge.
The more knowledge that you have about your destination, the better decisions you will be able to make while traveling.
Yes, so if you know the best areas to stay in, you will want to stay in these areas so you can save time and money. Also in these areas, you'll be able to find food easily, there'll be many bars, markets, and you'll be able to book trips very easily. An example of this will be Kuta Beach in Bali. Everything is centered around this beach and it's a really nice place to stay.
Yeah, or if you know everything that you want to see, then you can see everything that are in the same area on the same day. So you don't have to travel up and down the whole time.
Yes, and also if you know all the different modes of transport, you can pick the best one for your needs. For example, in some countries, you can take a SkyTrain or a taxi, and we think you should gain knowledge so you can find the cheapest one based on how many people you're traveling with.
Like in Bangkok, for example, you can take the SkyTrain or you can take a Grab taxi. Now the SkyTrain to go to your destination will cost you 33 baht a person, and to take a Grab taxi will cost you 120 baht. However, if you are 4 people, the Grab taxi will still cost you 120 baht, but the SkyTrain will cost you 33 baht times 4, which means that the SkyTrain will cost 132 baht. That taking a taxi is cheaper.
So by obtaining all the knowledge you can save time, money, and have the best traveling experience.
Yeah, so this is why knowledge is such an important part of smart traveling, because the more knowledge you have, the better decisions you will be able to make. So for more tips from us, please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And we will see you next time. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.